Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like hair, makeup, skincare, and vlogs, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my videos. So y'all, I have been wanting to do a holiday makeup look for y'all, an affordable holiday makeup look for you guys back for Thanksgiving, and I went to pull out some affordable makeup and I didn't have none. I had some foundation that was affordable, like the Maybelline Fit Me and some L'Oreal foundation, but other than that, nothing else I had was affordable. So your girl went to Ulta and she bought a whole full face of affordable makeup. So proud of me. So I've been testing it out for about a month now, and I think I'm ready to go ahead and do a holiday look for y'all, or just a general makeup look. So some of the stuff I bought is nice, but some of it not so much. So the two primers that I bought was this one by Hard Candy. This is their hydrating primer, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the Milk Hydrating or Milk Grip. What is it called? This one, child. It's supposed to be a dupe for this Milk Hydro Grip, so that's what we're going to use today. I've also been trying this one by Milani. This is their Supercharged Dewy Primer. I've used it like twice so far, and so far I'm not liking it. I don't know, maybe I gotta try it a couple more times with maybe a different foundation. I don't know, but so far I like this one better than this one, so we're gonna go in with this one. So when I put up on my community tab, like, what kind of makeup look do y'all want to see? Y'all want to see affordable, you want to see bougie, you want to see influencer makeup, and of course y'all picked affordable, and I was like, I knew they was gonna pick that. Like, y'all love affordable. And don't get me wrong, I mean, I like affordable too, but it is the holidays, girl. It's time for y'all to splurge on yourself, okay? Not everybody else, on you. So that primer does have like a tacky feeling like the Milk Hydro Grip primer. So, and it, you know, feels a lot like it. It is a really good dupe. Now I'm gonna go in with foundation, and I'm gonna use this one by Catrice. This is their True Skin Foundation, and for it to be an affordable foundation, I do actually like it. I have mine in the shade Warm Cinnamon. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tap this in. But y'all, yeah, like, you really have to splurge on the things that you want for yourself. Like, if you're a makeup girl and you only wear affordable makeup, but you watch other like influencers and people and they're wearing like luxury makeup and you want to try it, try it. If it's out of your price range, then just, you know, stack your coins. And when things go on sale, get it for you. You deserve. You go to work, you work hard, you deserve to buy nice things for yourself. Sometimes we get so caught up in affordable and think that we can't or shouldn't buy, you know, more expensive things. And we might be walking around wearing this drugstore foundation that we just love and we think it's the cat's meow. That's because you ain't trying to, you know, a high-end or luxury one. You didn't even know your stuff was cakey. You didn't even know. But you wouldn't never know if you don't try anything nice. You're not going to experience the finer things in life if you always go with affordable. Not saying there's nothing wrong with affordable. I'm just, what my point is, treat yourself. I definitely feel like affordable is the way to go if you like wear makeup to work every day, because who wants to be using a $60 foundation to wear to work every day? This is such a nice foundation. It just blends into my skin so well. I like the finish of it. It's like it's not too dewy. It's like a soft matte finish, and it's just a great color, and I highly recommend this foundation. If you like affordable foundations, this Catrice True Skin is bomb, especially if you can find your shade. Their shade range is not the best, I will say that, but if you find your shade, then girl. So I have two concealers. I have this one, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I also have the Catrice True Skin Concealer. This one is newer, but I've had this one for a while. This is like a fan fave, and I do think it's a good affordable concealer. So actually I'm gonna use one on one eye and one on the other eye, and we'll see which one we like better, because I haven't been able to test them side by side to really see which one I like better. I'm gonna just use the Catrice down the middle since I'm using the Catrice foundation. And then for my contour, now this I've had for a long time, and when I was using my Maybelline Fit Me, I would always use this. This is Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid, and I'm gonna use this as my contour shade. side, and it's blending out okay. It seems like it's kind of skipping like right around this area. Not sure why. Okay, I'm gonna turn it over to the other side and do the Catrice side. This one is blending out so much better. Okay, yeah, that blended out so much better. It didn't seem as sticky, but I did let it dry down. So maybe that's why the e.l.f. one was kind of like skipping, because it was too dry. Because I've definitely used the e.l.f. one before. Okay, so between the two, the Catrice one, it just blends better. It's just smoother. It's more hydrating. And this one is like thicker and stickier, and it just doesn't blend as well. So to set under my eyes, I'm going in with this e.l.f. Halo setting powder. This is what it looks like, and I have mine in the shade medium. Okay, to set my contour, I'm gonna go in with this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. This is in the shade Rich, and I really wanted the shade Mocha, but they've been sold out of it. When I go to my Ulta, it's been sold out for a while, so I'm just gonna use this one. This one is a little too dark for me and a little too red, but we're gonna try to make it shake. I'm gonna try not to use too much. With the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder in the shade medium to set all over my face. Now the reason why I got the Can't Stop Won't Stop powder is because it is a fan favorite for people that love drugstore makeup, so I'm giving it a try. But I want y'all to make sure y'all tell me what your favorite drugstore products are, so if I don't have them, I can go pick them up. So I usually do my brows first, but I forgot. So I'm gonna go in with this NYX Micro Brow Pencil and try to do something with these brows. Okay, we got on some brows. They look halfway decent, girl, but this is a good brow pencil. Like, this is good to be affordable. It's pigmented. I have mine in shade black, I'm pretty sure, because I always go for black. But it goes on really nicely and pigmented, and I like this. This is a good affordable one. So now let's get into bronzer. I'm gonna use this one by Milani. This is in the shade Suntan, and I've been liking this one. So now let's go in with blush. I have 3 by ColourPop. These are their Super Shock Cheek blushes. So let's try Birthday Suit. It's a salve. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this one by Essence. This is their Pure Nude highlighter. Y'all know I I love eyeshadow, and I usually do my eyeshadow before I do, you know, my makeup, but I'm doing just a really simple eyeshadow look because I want to do a bolder lip. And I have been loving these quads by Elf. These are like $3, so pigmented. Like, these are good. I would absolutely repurchase these again. So I have this one in the shade Truffles, and this is the one we're going to use today. I have used this, I think I used this in my last video. And the other one you guys have seen on my channel is this one called Hot Jalapeno when I did my green look. But for $3, these are giving. So I'm just going in with this color right here, just for a little transition color. I just wanted a nice soft wash of color, and then I'm gonna go in with this one by Milani. This is one of the collaborations with Milani and Juicy Jazz, and this one is her We Did Something palette. And I just want to take this shade right here, this goldy shade, and I'm just gonna put that like on my lid. So I'm just gonna use my finger and just tap that on the lid. Going in with eyeliner. This one is by LA Girl. This is their Shockwave eyeliner, and this is in the color black. I love their Shockwave eyeliners. They're super pigmented and feel really, really nice on the eyes. So good, especially since they're affordable. And I think we'll make this a little bit more smoky since it's the holiday. So I'm gonna go in with this darker brown shade right here in the corner. That darker color on the corners, and I ran it in the crease just a little bit. It did make it a little better for me, a little more holiday. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this so we can get into our mascara and our lips. I'll go ahead and use this Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is the girl's favorite as far as affordable. I've tried it a few times. As you can see, I'm not sold on it. It's okay, but it's not like wowing me yet. So okay, you guys, so we have our hair going, giving us holiday glam. We've got our jewelry on. Everything is popping. Our lashes are on. Let's get into a lip combo, and we're going to keep it, of course, affordable with Milani. I'm going to go in with their Understatement Lip Liner. This is in the shade Brazenberry. And then I'm going to go in with their Ludicrous Matte Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade Post Game. Now, this one came with the Juicy Jazz and Milani collab. This is one of the collabs, and I got this one together. So, and I have her other collab as well, but we're gonna start with this. So we're gonna start with this lip liner in Brazenberry. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I know you guys thought I was gonna go red since it was the holiday, but not yet. I do have a popping red lip coming up for y'all, but this is gonna be our holiday look for tonight. Nice, affordable. This look actually came together really, really pretty, and I like it. So I really hope you guys love my affordable holiday glam look. This is what I'm giving you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And don't forget to splurge on you this holiday season. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.